everyone, Vixen this side. So this is my fourth video on my channel and I'm trying to be a bit more regular than usual because sometimes I do take breaks and the break just continues, but yeah, this time I'm trying to be more regular. And in this video particularly I'll be sharing 5 different products from the pharmacy, and I think it's a trend right now on Instagram, especially Instagram and YouTube, to show products which are available at a medical store or any like drugstore or pharmacy. And not everything works for everyone, but these products that I will be showing you are something that I have suggested to people in my day-to-day life. When someone like comes up with certain issues, I do recommend stuff from this pile. So yeah, I'll just be sharing it with you guys because these things I have been using for more than a year I guess, and some of them I even use for like more than 5 years. So yeah, these work. So yeah, let's just get started with it now. So let's start off with body, and the first thing that I have is this product. All the tubes are kind of bent by me because I do use them on me. So yeah, this is the Salilix SF12. This has a very high percentage of salicylic acid. It has 12% salicylic acid, and it is very effective if you have like body acne, because unlike face acne, which can be solved by 1% or 2% of salicylic acid, body acne actually needs more salicylic acid percentage. So this one has 12%. I remember I once got waxed on my back and I got like a lot of rashes. I don't know why, but I did get. So I used a lot of products that time to soothe my skin and just get rid of that. But this was the actual product which helped me. So this is very affordable. This is around 200 rupees, and this is a huge tube. You don't need this much, you just need a little bit, and it's kind of a thicker gel, so you don't need a lot. You just need a pea-size amount, and you just need to like put it on the dot, like wherever you got the acne. And if you got like rashes also, this will work really well on that also. So this is the first one, and again on this video also I will be mentioning all the product name in the description, so do make sure you check that. Okay, second product is for your face actually. So if you get like pus, pimples, or if you get like acne or breakouts like that, then you can get this Zitcare salicylic acid gel 1%. This has 1% of salicylic acid in it, so it's pretty mild as compared to the other product. So you can use this on your body as well, but it's pretty mild because it just has 1%. But for your face, this is very effective because like I have used this, and this is better than any drying solution or any spot treatment that is available on Nykaa or Amazon, anywhere, because this is like the main ingredient that is there in that product is the whole product in itself. This like tube will last you for about 3 months if you get regular acne, to be honest, because you really need a very tiny bit. The nozzle of this is very thick, so you just need a little bit, and it has a very lightweight water-like consistency. It is not even a gel, it's like water. You just need very tiny amount, and this is also around 200 or under. So you can get everything that I show today, you can get it in the local medical store or Amazon pharmacy, so it's very easily available. So yeah, this was the second product. Okay, so the third product, I actually combined 2 products in one. So for example, if you get tan very easily, because in Calcutta especially it's very hot and you get tan very easily, so you need to use something that has either AHA, BHA or some other exfoliating ingredient. So for that I use this glycolic acid cream, and for your face you can use the 6% one, which comes in this green and white packaging, and if you're going to apply it on your body, then you can use this one. This is the same brand, glycolic acid, but this is 12%, as you can see. This is the blue and white one. So this is for body, this is for face. So for body, you can apply it on your body on a regular basis, like every night. Do not apply it in the sun, like before going in the sun. Apply it at night time on like clean body, apply it. And you can even use this on your underarms or in your like if you have like dark elbows or dark knees or any like tan feet or anywhere, you can apply this. And the tan will go in, like you will see a difference from day 4 or 5. But if you are, for example, if you're a man, so the male skin is a bit more thicker than women, so you might see the difference from after a week, and in 1 month your tan will be gone. And but you do need to apply sunscreen on a daily basis, because sun cream is something that is very important. Okay, do not skip that. And for face, you don't need to apply it on your face on a daily basis. Every like 2 to 3 nights you can apply, like 3 times a week is more than enough. You can apply this on your face, and next day when you wash it, you will have very smooth skin, because this legit melts away all the dead skin that might have piled up on your face, over time. And it also gets rid of like blackheads or like chin, like all these like clogged pores. This does get rid of them also, so you might get this. And these two are also around 150 170, so they are pretty cheap. So the fourth product is this cream. This is the Nip Care cream, and this is actually made for breastfeeding moms for their nipples, because sometimes it does get dry because of the constant sucking. And this has lanolin in it, so it's very good for your lips. So you can use this as a lip mask instead of buying the Laneige lip mask, which is very pricey, I would say. I mean, that's good and that has a very nice fragrance, and all this has a particular scent to it. So some don't like that, but it's very mild, I would say, for me. So you should like give this a try. I think you might like it, because I use this and it's very thick. Okay, it has this particular consistency which I can't really explain, but it's pretty thick. And when you apply it on your lips, right, so it when you're rubbing it, it melts on your lips, and it gives a very like extremely glossy effect, which I personally like. It doesn't have any color, of course. And yeah, don't try to like taste it. It doesn't taste the best type, because other lip glosses usually have this like, they are edible. I don't think if you like consume a bit of this while applying, it will have any issues, because I have been using this for very long, but it never had any issues, and I am pretty sure I have it in my system. So yeah, but this is a very nice product, and you need a very small bit of it. This I think is around 148 rupees. This is very cheap, and this whole thing will last you easily like 2 months if you apply it like 2 times a day. And if you apply one, in like 3 to 4 months easily you can. And I don't really like this type of method. I don't know what this thing is, but I don't like tubes like this, because I feel when you're like squeezing it, a lot of product is like left behind. But if you can tap from I like try to push it from here, so I can use the whole thing up. So this was the fourth product. And for the last product, this is actually a prescription cream. So before you try to use this, please like consult your doctor, or if you have anyone who is in the medical field, especially if they are a dermatologist, please let them like know that you are going to be using this, and ask for their consultation. Okay, so this is tretinoin. This is 0.05, but you should always start with 0.025. This is like a game changer in all the skincare ingredients that you might know of. But then it's a very like, how to say, like if you use it in a bad way, this can actually backfire on you. So you need a prescription. So please, I'm like again suggesting this, please go to a doctor before you try and use this. So people use it on their face also, and it helps with cell turnover. The way it actually works is it doesn't really take away the dark spots or like dark or pigmentation or like that, like how niacinamide works. But what it does, it helps in cell turnover. So your old skin that has the melanin in it goes away, and then new cell comes out. So yeah, you need to if you're using it on your face, please go to a doctor and ask them, okay? But if you're using it on your body, still go and ask the doctor. But how you use it on your body is what I'm explaining here. You take a very small amount of this, start with the 0.025, and then you apply it on your like elbows or wherever. If you have an old scar, apply it. If you have stretch marks, apply it over there. Then you take a cream, like a very heavy cream, like a moisturizer. You can use panthenol cream or the lipids cream. Like I use this one, the lipids cream. I showed it to you guys in the last video that I uploaded. So, and apply it on top of it. So you first you wash your area, whatever you wherever you wanna apply it. Then you like dry it off. Then you take a very small quantity of this, apply this, let it dry for like 5 to 6 minutes, and then you can apply the moisturizer. If you see your skin is getting very dry, what you can do is, after drying off the particular space, apply a cream. After 5 to 6 minutes, apply a small bit of this, and then again apply another. That is called the sandwich method, which is very popular, especially with this particular ingredient, because this is a very strong ingredient. But then it really works with pigmentation or scars or stretch marks and other products like that. So yeah, one time I did fall down from a bus, and it was a moving bus, and I kind of got a scar near my elbow, and I'm trying to get rid of that scar because I don't like it on myself. There's nothing wrong with scars and bruises, but I just don't like it on myself. So yeah, every day I'm trying to love myself a bit more, and I feel like if I remove that scar, I love myself a bit more. It will be a bit more easier. So yeah, there's nothing wrong if you have a scar, okay? If you want it on your body, have it. I don't want it, so I'm trying to remove it. So yeah, this is the product that I use, okay? Please consult the doctor, okay? And these are all the products that I wanted to show you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do subscribe, and you can also comment what type of video you want, because I don't have an idea what next I'm going to make. But yeah, do subscribe if you like the video, and all the product names will be mentioned in the description. So yeah, do check them. Bye.